mangithi yo Thixo intana uyihengile mamsi hayi angeke ngithi hayi masimthele ngamanzi maybe usase right
Yeah.
bathi Mpumi yini ngithi nanga umntana bo eyihengile usaphila Mpumi ngithi hayi usaphila ngoba umzimba kuyachisa ngimi manje makuqhamuka omnye sisi kusuthi wehle training mara umuntu oyinesi asondele kimi abamba umntwana angakhulumi nama khulumi nalabo sisi athi hayi lo mntana akasekho bafike mabefika bafike ngemoto bathi mabefika babona umntwana elele lapha yana bashaya amabonda baphakamisa amasofa umenze yini ingwana umenze yini umntwana hayi sesahlike emotweni nje siyengcwabeni kamama singangikhonjwa nangiya hayi ukuthi bayasaba ukuthi bathi nangiya ngathi ubani umbulali bathula namakhazini wami umncane kamamsi like ukuthi umuntu manje sengibhekwa so wazihengela kimi endlini okubhlungu ukuthi uzihengela kimi endlini umama wami isangu makuzothiwa sithwele bayazi into abayenzayo
Welcome back to the Hope Revolution podcast. My name is Muraro and I'll be your guest for today. The purpose of this podcast is so that we can amplify the voices of those that are voiceless, those that have not been attended to, or those that are grieving, that want to correct something. Also, we want to give a platform to those that are willing to come through and share the severe lessons that life has taught them so that you and me could better navigate the life's challenges. We also want to add in terms of saying this platform is a platform of transparency. We want to motivate people to say that when you come here, we really require that you speak the truth and that you open up about your challenges and speak honestly from the bottom of your heart. This is so that if there's anyone who feels that they also want to come through and give their side of the story, rest assured, we're going to give those people a platform to come through and also tell us what it is that went wrong in that perspective. Thank you so much for the support that you have been giving us. We really appreciate and love the love that you guys are giving us, and you're making this platform to be what it's becoming. And we really just want to give you a thumbs up and ask you to continue doing that. Continue liking and sharing and commenting. It's really pushing us forward. Now, as I did say, this platform is a platform of transparency. If you will remember, we had a lady by the name of Kifilo, if I'm not mistaken, who had come through. I think it was episode 13 on the Hope Revolution podcast. You'll check it on our list of videos. Now, she was talking about a situation where her daughter had passed on, and she was basically indicating that she doesn't have clarity, she doesn't have peace of mind. She's really looking for justice because she doesn't know what happened to her daughter. What then happened is that in the comment section, the family members began to engage each other and they began to speak. And one of those family members ended up saying that we'd like to also get an opportunity to come and tell our side of the story in terms of what it is that happened. That's what's happening today. So we're going to jump into it and just then open it up and discuss it accordingly. In the comment section, I saw a lot of people indicating to say that this is what might have happened, this is what might have happened. So we saw it necessary to say, let's also get the other side of the story to sort of get that perspective. So let's jump into it and open this can of worms and discuss it. Sawubona mama.
Sawubona mama.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila kunjani?
Sikhona. Siyabonga ukuthi ubone ukuthi it's very important ukuthi uzolula namhlanje, considering what had happened from the beginning when we initially posted the video. There were a lot of things that were happening there in the video. But maybe before we get into that, I wanted to check in with you to just see ukuthi umama ubani wakuphi nanokuthi maybe yini emlethala namhlanje.
Okay.
Sorry.
Igama lami uNompumelelo Gqubile, ngihlala eSigodphola eMfulo.
Okay.
North. Into engilethelana ngingumpumi lo bekahlala nomntwana kaKifilo.
Okay.
Ngithe mangibona ngabona ukuthi kufanele nami ngikhe ngize ngizokhuluma iside lami abantu bazi story.
Okay.
Ukuthi kwenzakaleni umntwana aze ajike sekazi hengile.
Okay. Ningixolele kancane. I just have a small cough. but we'll continue. We were not gonna edit out of the small coughs. I think getting back to it, Mama, before we get into the story, I wanted to check with you, Guti, when you saw the story on that day, usibone, how did it get to you?
Ingene kabuhlungu ngoba nestory khange ngisilalele sonke. Ngiyengathi hawu bengithi sengidlulile kulento kanti ngiyaphinda futhi ngivuselelwa amanxeba. Ngabona ukuthi ay nami manje ngizama ukuthi ngenze bu DM ukuthi nami ngicela ukuthi ngize ngizokhuluma.
Uzokhuluma. Ubani ukukhombisile mhlawumbe bekwenzakalani lapho la benikhona?
Besendlini bekunetha. Bekuyi Tuesday. Umntwana ubhizi udlala ngefoni athi mama ngithi mina yebo athi wozobona ngithi mhlambi into ehlekisayo mangithi ifilwe hey ngavele ngava ukuthi inhliziyo yami iyabetha ngathi into bathi mama lalela ngathi angifuni ukulalela lalelani nina sekuthe ngiyi1 ke sengiserumini lami ngaqala ke ngayilalela ngathi hayi
okay
unotshe impunzela la kufanele nami ndiye khona uzosithethelela.
Okay, hayi siyabonga ukuthi mhlambe uyithobile because abantu abaningi bethi mababona le story lesi sizipostayo ziba involve babe ukuthi bayahluleka ukuthi badile nemizwa yabo before they come through to you, but your approach was quite matured in terms of saying ukuthi uye wathi hayi ngifuna ukuthi ngifike kahle akubanga na conflict nokulwa between thina nawe which is something that we really encourage ukuthi mangabe kune story esiphumile na usibona sikufaka the good thing is to just try and reach out and try and see ukuthi what's the best that we can do. I think I'd like to give you a thumbs up on that. So maybe asibuyele emacalweni kalen usichazela ukuthi mhlambe wena nokifilwe nibuyaphi ngempilo ukuze nifike la umntana ezosuka azohlala lapho, but I want to understand your relationship nokifilwe from way back before this happened.
Ukifilwe cousin yami umama wakhe ngumncane wami.
Okay.
Abahlali kude kunami ukuya kuye maybe sigibela itaxi nje local ye12 rand.
Okay.
Umuntu bekahlale maybe makunemisebenzi siyahlangana bona njengefamily kuyaphuzwa ku right.
Okay.
Then after lapho ke makuhlalo njalo uzohlala ekhuluma ukuthi hey ngifuna indawo yokuhlala mina nomntanami.
Okay.
Kwenzeka into ezininzi. Uthole sometimes ukuthi hayi asimnaki. But kwesinye isikhathi ubona ukuthi njalo makuthe udibana into eyi1 ukefile ufuna indawo for yena nomntwana.
Okay. So consistent ngale story.
Yeah.
Okay.
kwakunguDecember kunomsebenzi ekhaya umamami. Ukifilwe amaneke athi ukuthi hey yazi ngifuna indawo. Umama ngoba kithi kunenye room engahlali umuntu. Wathi umama ungeza wena uzohlala nomntana la.
Alright.
But nizozenzela nizosiphekela nizozenzela yonke into.
Okay.
So ukifilwe zanga reply kumama.
Okay.
Kwaba into nje edlulayo uDecember kumnandi. Last year 2024 January indaba yabangathi iyakhuphuka yomntwana. Ngathola i-call. Mangithola i-call kwakulabo ma January February. Ngithola i-call sisibumu njani ngikhona yini uyakhala. Ukhalelani kwenzakalani? Athi umntwana uchile umamsi. Uchile umamsi uchiswe intoni. Athi hayi umomncane wakhe usister kakifilo. Umomncane wakhe bekadla iKFC.
Okay.
Nendoda. Wafika umamsi wathi naye ulambile. Ngoba uyayazi into zefemale sometimes nonga thandani or ninicabani ngama sisters.
Yeah.
Kwakuyilelo sikhathi leso ke. Uthi umomncane umntwana waphendula ukuthi hayi angeke sikuphi. Umntwana wamisa amanzi kwi2 plate. Athi wenza umdoko ukuthi adle. Umamsi ke lo. Kanti imakethe amanzi ayabila bekathatha impuphu athi uyagalela wasishisa ngamanzi.
Okay.
Kefilo wangicela lonto leyo ke ngathi na Kefilo angazi ngizokwenza ini. I'm a mother of 4. Badala abantwana bami. And the 2 ayihlali nami ifunda edrobheni eza ngama-holiday.
Okay.
Anginankinga ke feel ungamzisa umntwana kum at least nami endlini ngizokhe uyabona kube nomntwana omncane nami ngizokhe ngijabule. Sisi unyanisile na uright. Ngithi ngiright mlethe umntwana. Athi hayi ngizokhuluma qala naye. Kuba bekafunda eduze kwakhona. Kumane kwenzeka izinto amaviki njalo sengizozwa ukuthi hayi umamsi wenze lokhu umamsi wenze lokhu. Ngithi ayike feel umamsi ucabangani. Athi hayi March ngiyamletha umntwana kubo.
Okay.
Last year. Ahamba ukifile umfunela umntwana eduze nala mina engihlala khona. Mara isikolo sakhona sesitswane.
Okay.
Ngibabona benza isitswane. Ngithi okay umfunele aze kimi athi hayi ngimfunela umntwana nazi incwadi makuvulwa ikolo uzomhambisa soyi2.
Okay.
Ne-uniform sengimthengele. Ngithi okay akunankinga. Ngitshele ke mina ke family yami abantwana bakithi ama-sister wami ayithunywe noma mama ukuthi yazi ngithathe into eso. Ngizohlala nomntana kakhe ifihlo. Bangabi nankinga bathi hayi Mpumi wenze into eright.
Yeah.
Kube uMarch bamlethe umntwana. Mabemlethe umntwana umamsi. Bamlethe umamsi la elimele la.
Okay.
Khathekile. Nginaso isithombe sakhe ngamshuda. Ngimbuze mina ngithi hawo ukhathwe yini umntwana athi hayi bekusiliwa bamshaya ngemistake. Ngithi okay. Bekulwi family bona endlini belwa ikhona iBrandfish. Bamshaya ngemistake umamsi. Ngathi hayi first day yesikole umntwana uyangale mark engaka. Hayi ngithi naloku akufuni mina but umntwana uzoba right.
Okay.
Walethwa umomncane wakhe ne-boyfriend kamomncane wakhe. Mabemletha ngalo March lo. Bathi hayi Mpumi uzobona na ukuthi lo mntwana unjani. La engathi usithathela inkinga.
Ngisho bani?
Kuthi umomncane nomntwana.
Okay.
Una 10 years umamsi. Ngithi mina hayi man umntwana
yeah.
Njengabanye abantwana uzokhula into environment ile lakini uzomenza njengomntwana ku right and nguye kuphela umntwana. Uzochange isimo sakhe. Hayi kwaba right. Makuvula ikolo March ukuthi Glithanyazi last year. Wafika umama kaMamsikimi uKefilo. Wafika 10 to 5 ekseni entata kwakunetha. Make fika uyakokota gogo igate siyalkhiya endlini. Gogo ayisivula. Hawu uKefilo ekseni kangaka yini? Ufaka irokho elingaka nendwangu ke. Uyakhala yini ulimele la yini bangishayile ushawe ubani ngishawe umamami kunye nomntana akithi ngithi bakushayelana athi angazi bangifunani ngoba umntana sengimhambisile la kubo. Ngithi ulele kuphi athi ngilala esitradini. Ngithi waye ungazange uzolala lana ke uyazi ukuthi sizohambisa umntana ngoba i-first day yakhe.
Okay.
And angimazi mina ukuthi uzongena kuyiphi iclass. Athi akunandaba Mpumi masemhambisa umntwana. Hayi nihambe naye njalo umntana afake i-gym dress yakhe ngoba imfundo ingekapheleli. Ngithi hayi masambe siye esikolweni. Sahamba saye esikolweni samfaka umntwana i-first day leyo. Masibuya wagibela itaxi eyakuphi eBrandfish.
Okay.
Ngamtshela ngathi lento yenza uyabona umamsi akayanga kahle esikolweni ngoba sekayakhala ukubona the way ongakhona.
So on that first day mekebuya esikolweni ufuna ukuya ekhaya ayobona umamsi, is it on that first day? Okay. Leyo yako March make qala efika kimi. Okay.
Umntwana wamane ehlala kimi umntwana ke ku right. Yo umamsi yamthanda umamakhe ayike into bizokhuluma nomamsi angafaka umamakhe.
Yeah.
Umntwana la kusebesikhulume ukuthi umntwana make kimi ngama Friday uyamthatha ngoba akho kude. Then Sunday uyambuyisa. Umntwana Friday bekazopakisha impahla asifake school bag nomela umama ukuthi uzofona or enze athathe umntwana.
Okay.
Angafiki umama umntwana. Umntwana ahlale esofeni kanje. Nazi school bag umela umama. Angafiki umama angafoni no message. Ngize ngifona ukuthi umntwana yabona bengathi uyajabula sometimes angadli nokudla. Athi umama uzongilanda. Silale ku Friday next Saturday dolulu. Kuze kube Monday abuyele esikolweni. Ngokuhamba manga mina kumntwana ngithi hayi uthe ukuphi mari naye umntwana uyabona ukuthi ngihamba manje.
Yeah.
Kwahamba ke kwadlula indaba yayo lapho ngoMarch. Esahleli nami umntwana waza ne-school bag kuphela sey'impahla. Umntana kithi owesi-3 olandela mina wathi Mpumi umamsi u-right nalapho unazo into ze-winter. Ngathi hayi akanazo.
Okay.
Umntana kithi waza nama-school bag ayi-2. Wabeka impahla wathi nazo ezakamamsi. Ngajabula.
Okay.
And ukuthi yini yonke lento engikhuluma bengishuda kunalento besithi mangishude.
Yeah.
Nalezo mpahla lezo ziphezulu kwesofa ngashuda. Ngabasendele eBrownfish ukuthi nazi impahla lethelwe umamsi. Bajabula nabo. Yaba nguJune. Angithi fanele kamlanda umntwana.
Yeah.
MayinguJune kuvalwa ikolo last year. Akamlandanga umntwana. Ngathi ngoba mina ngiye roadboard indlela le eya indlela Brownfish roadboard.
Yeah.
Masipakishe mamsi asambuye kumama ikolo zivaliwe. Ngifike mangifika eBrownfish hayi ngithola umama wakhe uhlala ngaphandle yena.
Okay.
Thola ugogo wakhe mangithola ugogo wakhe empumini ninjani ngithi hayi right letha umamsi. Aphuma umama wakhe athi hayi bengithi ngizomlanda ini uyabona ngithi anginankinga ngoba nami ngiye roadboard ngithi mangilethe umntwana.
Yeah.
Wahlala umntwana June umama wakhe. Wow. uJune wonke yebo ngimane ngifonela mamsu njani ku right nje. Sizovula ikolo ngayo uJuly. Abuye umntwana. Since umntwana kungoJuly kwavula ikolo. Bekaye esikolweni ekseni. Ntambama aye umama.
Okay.
Since kwavula ikolo njalo hayi
akasezi kuwe.
Uza kimi sekusebusuku.
Okay. Uqala lekha.
Uqala le maphuma isikolo kumama.
Okay.
Angifonele umama umntwana ngefile. Athi Mpumi umamsi ulana uyarasa uyabona yena ke khathethi kingwano akinsibi kurubatlana. Ngithi mina hayi man ngifile maybe kunento yesikolo. Athi hayi Mpumi akunanto yesikolo usile umamsi. Athi namanje uyeza lapho kuwe hayi mamsi uzobuya vele. Ngimbuze mamsi yini? Hayi umamsi uzovela khahla.
Okay.
Aphendule sekulithi thina endlini isapha sidla ngo6 umamsi beka sejwayele ukuthi okay must past 5 uya change into zakhe simeli isapha. Kube yinto sekayenza njalo. Kube iviki lesithu ikolo zivuliwe aze naye ukefila aze naye umntwana. Sisiphumi ngila ngilethe umamsi njalo makuphuma ikolo umaneza kimi athi uyangithanda mina ngumama wakhe ufuna ukuzohlala nami. Ngithi hawu mamsi sesisipende kangaka indaba zama uniform nani why ungatshongo kwaqala. Athula umntwana angakhuluma.
So umamsi sekefuna ukubuyela le ekhaya. Okay.
Athi ke kimi ukefilwe athi hayi yazi sesimpumi ngicabanga ukuthi ngimtshelile ukuthi ngikhulelwe.
Alright.
Yiloko enza kanje. Ngithi hawu ayikuhle ngithi ayike kusho ukuthi yisikhwele phela. Ngoba kusho ukuthi uyabona ukuthi ngeke usamnaka uzonaka lo. Pheleleyo. 25 July. Ekseni uphuma ngo7 umamsi maka esikolweni. Nami ngiyaphuma kwakuyi Thursday. Nami ngiyaphuma ngeSwanaville emthandazweni. Ngangayazi indawo yakhona ngithi hayi mamsi sizophumisana soyi2. Ngoba wena ungena endingiliza mina ngeShoprite eDobsonville indlela.
Yeah.
Athi umamsi okay. Hayi umamsi ekusena aphuma ekitchen. Ngithi hayi lo ikhona into ayenzile wrong.
Okay.
Makenza so. Ngithi hayi mina ngizophuma ngapha efront. Mangithi sengivula igate unesikhiya sakhe segate umamsi sekaphumile. Ngithi hayi bo mamsi arayi momkhulu mina ngijahile.
Okay.
Hayi nami ngizihambele ke ngemthandazweni. Mangibuye emthandazweni ngabo past 3 ngithola icall kaMomncane. Mpumi kunjani ngikhona? Umingi ulahlekelwe imali engange 100 rand umingi ugogo kaMamsi.
Okay.
Ulahlekelwe imali. Ngithi ngilahlekelwe imali. Imalini 100 rand. Ngithi angazi. Athi umamsi uye wambona ephethe imali na. Ngithi angazi but ngizwe amasenti nyana ekhaya.
Okay.
Athi imali yethu le. Elahlekile asazi ukuthi sizokwenza ini. Ngathi angazi. Ngisesendleleni nangafika endlini hayi baphinde bangifonela bathi nanga umamsi sesekala. Lo Thursday leyo. Uthi akayazi imali la mali yakhe yama lengibambe ngimkherisa. Imali yakhe yokhera bekayibeka. Ngithi okay hayi nje kusharp. Mangifika endlini ngifike ngisafaka uniform yami esofeni bayazi sofa ngiyazilahlalela so ngithola icall umama kaMamsi uKefelo Mpumi nangi lo mntwana ulana atsho babe kajwayele ukuthi nanke khathesi kuyena uzozibona ukuthi ubuyelana emuva uze nomsebenzi wesikolo
Okay.
ngithi mina hayibo sekulate lento enza ngumamsi wrong ngelinye ilanga uzosuka lana athi uza kuwe alimali estradini
Yeah.
kodwa abantu bamenza into ezirong then kuzothiwana simazi kuba la double lapha khona udouble lapha emathuneni
Okay.
athi uyeza lapho uzozibona ukuthi ufika ngani hayi ngihlale ngithi ngisahleli ngaboma something past 4 angena umamsi mamkhulu kunjani khona mams why ungasho ukuthi uzodlula le hayi momkhulu bengine homework ngithi but ngazitshela ukuthi mawune homework umama wakho sokwenza ngamafoni akwenzele mams uze ngani hayi ngize ngeenyawo it's okay sharp hamba yo change hayi vele isikhathi uyasibona ahamba umama sangena ekamereni lakhe afaki iwanzi yakhe negamu ngisihlelele nami ngibukela iTV hayi mamse akabonakali okay kungena isecond born yami mama ngithi mina yini athi yo awuzobona ekamereni ngithi why athi umama uthatha impahla zonke wazondlala phansi
Okay.
ngithi hayi mani stress usuka kumama wakhe uyabona istress nje uphi athi hayi akekho la eroomini ngithi ngaphandle athi hayi khami ngiyombheka ngithi hayi ngibheke thithi hayi uthithi market uyemva kwama room umntana scream angimemeze second born yami
Okay.
mama hawuphakame nami mangithi yo thithi umntana uyihengise mamsi hayi angeke ngithi thithi hayi masimthele ngamanzi maybe usase right
Yeah.
hayi kufika first born yami mayifika first born mama kwenzakalani ngithi nangu umama uzihengile Thomas ikhamanzi lapha empompini Thomas akhamanzi empompini maka khamanzi ngithi hayi khame ngimshude ngibonisa umama wakhe izimanga umamsi azenzayo ngishude ifoto no video
Okay.
ngishude lo photo leyo uThomas amthele ngamanzi yebhakede hayi umamsi aka phaphama ka next
Yeah, ngaleso sikhathi ukuphi senimehlisile.
asikamehlisi
Okay.
isemva kwama room intambo leye yegown ibiqine iqinile ngoba bekagibele phezulu kwe crate
Okay.
makezihenga yaqina intambo wathi umntana wathi uthithi hayi mama ngicela ukuthi uze nomese or iskere ngithi okay Thomas uzothatha iskere mina ngikhabe ngifonela iBolt ngifonela iBolt mangifonela iBolt ngithi ayizwa ngise clinic seduzana la eDobsonville ngifonela iBolt iBolt bayithi yafika uthithi sakamkhumulile
Okay.
ngimthatha umntwana ke sengiyestradini mina ngime egate mangithi ngiyestradini egate kunabo sisabayi2 basestradini bebezimele bekhuluma indaba zabo bathi Mpumi yini ngithi nangu umntwana bo eyihengile usaphila Mpumi ngithi hayi usaphila ngoba umzimba wakhe uyachisa ngime manje makuqhamuka omnye sisi kusuthi wehle training mara umuntu oyinesi asondele kimi abamba umntwana angakhulumi nami akhulume nalabo sisi athi hayi lo mntwana akasekho ngithi angeke ngoba lo mntwana uyachisa iBolt imile ngaleso sikhathi bathi abantu hayi Mpumi ungamfaki lo mntwana
Okay.
ngena naye endlini ekhoneni kunonye usisi owenze into first aid ngithi ngicela ningibizele yena hayi abizwe ngimbeke phansi manje sitting room umntwana afike athi Mpumi ngibeke phansi amenzeke athi hayi akasekho lo mntwana ngathi angeke mamsi ungangenza kanje ngathi hayi usaphila ngeke kusasenjalo ngifonele umomncane wakhe ngithi ngicela nifike manje nasi simangeni ngasaziyo ngicela nifike manje ngathi ningamtsheli ugogo umntwana kuba umuntu ogulayo velawe nje ngathi ningamtsheli ngicela nifike Mpumi kwenzakala ngithi izani fikani hayi sesifonele iambulance more than 4 times nabantu bangaphandle bezama ufonela iambulance ingarespondi bafike bafike ngemoto bathi mabefika babona umntwana elele lapha yana bashaya amabonda baphakamisa amasofa umenzeni ingwana umenzeni umntwana umenzeni ngithi ngizomenzani yini engamenza yona umamsi ngithi ngicela indoda omncane umntwana uze nemoto ngathi ngicela nimthatheni umntwana nimse clinic maybe lo mntwana usaphila ngoba sonke akekho inesi asazi lutho bamthatha umntwana kuhambe umntwana ami firstborn
Okay.
bahambe naye mabe hamba naye kuye clinic eDobsonville bathola eDobsonville bathumela eJabulani eJabulani mabefika lapho asatholakala ngamafoni
Okay.
siyafona sifuna ukwazi ukuthi umntwana unjani bathi use emergency
Okay.
ngakhuleka ngathi uNkulunkulu mkhulu umntwana uyaphila after abo 10 minutes seyabafonela amafoni awasebenzi kufika umntana kithi mawufika umntana kithi athi mpumi kwenzakalani ngisitsho story ngithi manje inkinga asazi kwenzakalani eJabulani ngoba wonke umuntu akana phone athi umntana kithi hayi ngoba ngibuye emsebenzini ngizokhona ukuthi ngingene
Okay.
ahambe nomama athi sihamba nefoni nikhona ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani
Okay.
hayi bahambe ke baye esibhedlela mabefika esibhedlela umntana kithi afone athi hayi mpumi akasekho umamsi
Umntana kini ulo bekegcoka ama uniform yamanesi. Okay.
bekaphuma emsebenzini vele
Yeah, because omunye umbuzo bekuwukuthi why aya esibhedlela ngama uniform. So kusho ukuthi incazelo yakho ukuthi bekebuye emsebenzini
kufanele semsebenzini
ithuba lokuthi ashintshe belingekho bekumele avele egijimele khona. Alright.
sizokwazi uba sibe nomuntu ozokhona usi-update ukuthi kwenzekani bathi umntana akasekho hayi ngaphelelwa ngamandla ngathi hawu umamsi angathi angangenze so ngoba bekuyi-birthday yakhe nge-11
Okay.
ngithi hayi yazi ngaphelelwa ithemba ngaphelelwa into yonke athi hayi sizobona uma kusekubuya ukuthi kwenzakalani
Yeah. Maybe ukubuyisela emuva kancane. So lento mayenzeka uKifilo niye namthinta yena. Yena mzama ukumthola.
uKifilo bekangenafoni
Obengana phone. That's why ni reach out to.
yonke into se-reach omncane
Okay, but naye ni reach umamncane ngoba nazi ukuthi uKifilo uduzane lapho. Alright.
hayi babuye mabebuya babuye namaphoyisa babuye namaphoyisa sebehamba namanye amakhazini wabo ahlala eDobsonville okay angena amaphoyisa mama kunjani ngikhona okay kwenzakaleni ngitsho story somntwana okay bahambe bayemva kwama room bayobheka umntwana la bekayihenge khona
Okay.
bafuna intambo sithi nayi intambo bathi hayi babuze umphefumulo uphelele kuphi ngithi mina la esitting room kuba phela kula ngibeke khona babize umntanami lo second born bathi umthule kanjani wathi hayi ngithe mangimqhaqha ngimthula ngimbamba ngesandla wathi athi amaphoyisa hayi umphefumulo uphelele emva kwamaro
Okay.
ngayazi kanjalo bafuna incwadi zakhe ze-school bag umntwana sasithola i-school bag masisithola i-school bag babheka amaphoyisa bathola incwadi umntwana ayibhalile mama mina ngiyakuthanda asikisi mama mina ngizozigwaza ngomese okanye ngizozihenga
Okay.
ngoba esikolweni abantu mabe khuluma ngabo mama babo mina ngikhulumi nangobabami ngihlala noma umkhulu nala kuma umkhulu ngiyasebenza
Okay.
yabiqedwa wathi asikisi mama ngiyaxolisa
Alright.
ileta yokuqala le
Kune letter why kungabanga nendaba ukuthi sikhulume ngeletter emaqalweni umama kaKifilo bekangayazi le letter
ephi
iletter leyo uyifunda manje.
leyo yokuqala ileta itholakala kimi endlini
Okay.
then babiza umntwana lo bekumkhiphile bathi kuye bangakhona bathatha istatement na same day or baze kusasa wathi umntwana esithatheni namhlanje statement kwasiza lokho kuba sithathe same day statement amaphoyisa kuba saphumela ngaphandle sahlala thina emotweni ukuthi siya manje kuphi kabo Kifilo
Okay.
eBrownfish amaphoyisa sathatha istatement i-boyfriend yomomncane yehla yaye emaphoyiseni yathi hayi mani maphoyisa kunencwadi enye umntwana make ehamba azala uyilahlele egate
Okay.
athi amaphoyisa kanjani akatshonga umama khona wathi hayi ikhona uyithathile wayifihla athi amaphoyisa umama uKifilo athi amaphoyisa hayi ke masambe nani siye khona eBrownfish siyobona lencwadi yesi2
Okay.
sihambe namaphoyisa masama namaphoyisa sofuna incwadi le yesi2 akekho ukifilo uhambe namakhazini wakhe waya kuphi eDobsonville
Hospital.
hayi eDobsonville kamakhazini wakhe kababa
So this is after the whole incident. Amaphoyisa mase waphenya manje ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Okay.
ahlala amaphoyisa akhona eBrownfisher alinde isikhathi ukuthi bafuna lencwadi C2 efihlo ukifilo bahamba mabehamba bayilanda the following day ushonile umamsi sekufanele kwenziwe umatrasi kuhlaliwe umuntu owahlala ematrasini ugogo wakhe nami
Okay.
umama umntana azange ahlale ematrasini ngoba bekathi ukhulelwe mina ngahlala ematrasini ngathi mina bengithatha njengomntana nami ukodlula abami abantwana engibazalayo ngithi hayi ngizohlala ematrasini mara ukuhlala kwami ematrasini kwakubhlungu ngoba bengiyekuseni ngihambe ntambama every day ntambama mangihamba bengizwe indaba ukuthi yazi ukuhlela ematrasini baqedile lapha bazitsho abantu indaba ngithi anginandaba ukuhlala kwami ematrasini angenzeli imuntu ngenzela lo mntwana bengimkhulisa
ngisho manje mama uqola ukukhatha I'm a little bit taken aback because in the first episode ubuyibukela asikhulumanga ngeletha akubanga nakhuluma ngeletha so umbuzo wami ukuthi le letter lebo unayo ukifile uyiconfirmile ukuthi uyayazi
yebo wayikhipha
le yobusi yaphuma
yaphuma
nayifunda
sayifunda
le yobusi 2
le yobusi 2 nabikhuluma the same thing leya efana naleyo qala
okay exactly the same
thing
okay
amaphoyisa awathatha ama lozo ncwadi lezo zoyi2
okay and ebengeke ukuthi kube uwe umuntu ozoplanta iletha efana naleya maybe besingakusola sithi le uyiplantile le ngoba kukwakho la but leya enye ke ngoba iyafana nale
iyafana bekathetha into enye
eniphuma kumama wakhe manje okay asingaqhubeka bengifuna nje ukuthola iclarity lapho ukuthi mekuneletha why singakhulumanga ngeletha in the first episode but manje ngine clarity singaqhubeka
hlale ematrasini umntana uthathe 2 weeks ukuthi bambeke bamncwabe ngoba bekunenkinga yeAFBOB umntwana ushone nge25 ngabo 24 iAFBOB bona bebeyibhadala ibisilapsile mara nabo iAFBOB le bayibhadala nge25
okay
ngathi ngabo past 3 so iAFBOB inalento yokuthi kanjani ukuthi iyalapsa into yenu then umntwana uyashona same day that's why bithatha isikhathi eside ukuthi umamsi abekho
okay so bayikhokhele only on that same day was it before the incident
before the accident
okay no that's
then after ngahlala into ya Thursday Friday Saturday iviki lonke makuyi Friday ngitshela umama ngithi hayi yabona la noma ngaze kuthiwa nginenhliziyo yetshe angisakhoni ngihlala ematrasini ngapha ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyathukwa ngingumbulali nabantu mabefika ngike ngiqamba manga bebebuza ukuthi uphi umuntu wakho bekahlala naye ngithi yimi bangibona ngisematrasini noma umuntu phambi kwakho uzothetha into ayithethayo then ngaphandle athethe okunye but bengena ndaba ngathi hayi mama angiyi athi mama hayi mntanami kwaziwa ubhlungu ngathi hayi alright ngisahlela iFriday ngiye esikolweni somntwana emini kufanele ngithi ngibane ngiba update ukuthi kwenzakalani
okay
mangifika esikolweni somntwana ngithola bangibonisa iphone umistress uyabona ukuthi nayi into ephume ku TikTok esitholile thina la esikolweni incwadi
enye incwadi
ebhalwe ku TikTok sengiku TikTok
iTikTok le ye-account kabani
angazi ukuthi i-account kabani
okay
but lo muntu lowo ibhalile lencwadi wayithumela maybe 3 yabantu then wayivala lo account leyo
okay
incwadi ibhalile ukuthi noMpumelelo ohlala ku 8 room nginayo incwadi yakhona noMpumelelo ohlala ku 8 room nabantwana wabhala neaddress yami uhenge umntwana umbuleli ngoba bekamsebenzisa we must do justice for mamsi uyabona ngeEnglish abantu abafunde kakhulu kodlula thina ke bayibhala hayi ngiyenzela abanye abantu ukuthi hayi bo nina nithi nazi technology anifeni ifuneni le account ubani oyenzile bathi hayi mpumi lo muntu le account ayibonisi ukuthi ekabani hayi ngifone ngithi hayi bo ngifile kunencwadi so athi hayi nami ngiyibonile yazi abantu bayasixabanisa akukho right so ngithi but umuntu owenze lento ngumuntu la ngithi akekho umuntu wangaphandle ongenza lento kusase eli kanje iphele lencwadi iphuma Friday Saturday kwaphuma ivideo
18
ivideo eyilencwadi nezithombe zakaMamsi zonke
okay
hayi ngithi noma kuzothiwa like ngingumuntu nginenhliziyo enhle la ngingabulawela inhliziyo enhle ngeke ngiyimele ngifone ngithi hayibo nangumhlolo atho wani ngithi ithombe zakaMamsi nginikeza wena zonke wathi wonke umuntu wefamily sihlale siyifamily mabazidelete kanjani lezi ithombe ngizozibona efonini nale letter futhi bekuthiwa ayaziwa njengo umuntu osibambisene ngomntwana mina bengi-expect ukuthi uzothi yazi Mpumi woza sikhulume wathi yazini ngiyakubona ukuthi nje sowukhathele ukuthi uze lana endlini ngcono ungasezi ngasengcwabeni nomntwanami ngathi hayibo ngifile ngikubuza mina ngevideo le ubani oyenzile ngoba ithombe zikuwe kuphela akekho umuntu onazo lezi ithombe kusho ukuthi wena uyamazi lo muntu owenza ivideo hayi wayale ngagroup ifone ngafonela umama ngathi mama kusoso ngamsendela le video nakona le video manje abantu bayayitrace ayibonakala ukuthi ubani oyenzile ngahamba ngaye police station mangiye police station ngafuna iphoyisa leli laza ne postmortem bathi alikho ngathi noma lingekho ngicela nje linye iphoyisa lizongisiza nansi into ibhlungu yenzeka babuza sisikwenzakalana bathi amaphoyisa hayi eyalo mntwana wesikole sabo seduze ne police station ngithi mina yimi bengihlala nomntwana ngababonisa incwadi ngababonisa amavideo lathi leli phoyisa sisi yazi lento siyamangala ngoba phela icase sivalile ngoba ama social notes akhona
okay
and the postmortem ikhulumile ukuthi umntwana uzihengile sehenga ise pressure of hanging
okay
manje kwenzakalani ngithi angikho right lento yenzakala la babonisa le video ufuna ukuvula icala or ufuna ukwenzani ngithi ngicela ningitshele mangivula icala kuzoba kanjani bathi hayi mawuvula icala kusho ukuthi umntwana ngoba njengekancwatshwa sizophinda futhi simsthatha isidumbu siyocheckwa and asazi ngothatha isikhathi esingakanani
okay
ngathi mina hayi angisalivula icala
okay
ngimthanda lo mntwana wayengizomsokolisa sekashonile mangiliyeke icala
okay
ngaliyeka icala ngathi ngisahleli like ukuthi inhliziyo zami ibhlungu kanti kwenzakala ini angitshela ukuthi asisaye emncwabeni hayi butinyana nje abantu la ngiyabukhuluma ukuthi hey kunenkinga so ngifuna umuntu angitholele le into ye TikTok ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani athi omnye ibhudi hayi man Mpumi yazi bengithi uhlakaniphile nawe kanti uyislim angifundele lencwadi athi hayi lencwadi yomuntu ukuthi bekafuna ukuyenza ayihambise maybe ayoclaima ukuthi lo mntwana akazibulalanga ubulewe akhona ukuthola imali yama insurance
okay
ngithi how abantu bahlakaniphile ngathi mara bayenze kabuhlungu ngami abantu abayibonayo lento sekuthwana mina ngibulala umntwana engamthatha ngesihle ngithi ngiyamgruma kamnandi ukuthi akhule ngize ngimtshele nomama khona ngithi angimkhuliseli ukuthi abe ngowami ngifuna nami ngelinye ilanga ukuthi athi make khulile lo mntwana athi mina ngakhuliswa umomkhulu kuba bekahlakaniphile uMamsi ukudlula
eish kuna lento ethi kimi kena it's possible also ukuthi umuntu oyenza ivideo bekanenhloso yokunilwisa because that's the base intention uyazi ukuthi lento oyenzayo izolwisa abantu because as abantu sinayo lenhliziyo yokuthi sithanda ukuthi ubona abantu bangazwani it's possible ukuthi it's another possibility angithi asazi ukuthi nanokuthi ubani oyenzile ukuthi azifihle that's the one thing that kills the credibility of his message. Number 2, ukuthi ayibhale ngale ndlela ayibhala ngayo angakhiphe enye evidence esingayazi. Inhloso yakhe yokuthi bekuye ukuthi anilwise wena nomama kaMamsi, because what's the other benefit? Because moyo claim ama insurance bafuna ukubona i-postmortem, abafuna ukubona i-video, bafuna ukubona izinto ezifana nabo postmortem, bo death certificate, bafuna ukubona ukuthi umuntu ushone njani. Mangabe ba-investigate abayofuna lo i-video iyomsiza kanjani ukuthi azokhona ukuthola imali? Angeke. Uyabona? In my perspective, it can be an unfortunate case of a person ukuthi bekangakhona ukuzibamba mhlambe adile ne-grief yokulahlekelwa from this child, ngoba ukuthi the two of you are also grieving because nilahlekelwe ni-two.
Yes.
And mostly umuntu makalahlekelwe ufuna ukukhomba umuntu ukuthi hayi kahle kahle ulo. Why? Because inhliziyo ifuna lokho, ngoba kunokuthi kune-video la in between ezokhona ukuhlanganisa izinto ezingahlangani. For me, in my perspective, that's the unfortunate thing, because kukuthi if kukuthi nina wena nomama kaMamsi benikhuluma after the incident, umama kaMamsi bekangaboni kunenkinga before that video, probably angazi, maybe wena ungachaza ukuthi mokhuluma nomama kaMamsi before kuza bekuvela le video bekanjani?
Beka right. But ububona ukuthi noma ngithi right ayisese ngulokifile engimazi wayenginikeza umntwana.
Okay.
Uyabona? Bubona ukuthi athi hey yazi angazi ukuthi uMamsi bekenza bekacabange ini. Uyabona? Ngoba noma the following day sengiletha impahla zomntwana, ngalethi impahla yonke into ngaziletha. Ngaze ngaletha necard le grant lomntwana. Ngathi mangiletha wathi kimi bekuyi-26 July. Wathi kimi bungekho ulisebenzisa. Ngathi ngizolisebenziselani ngoba bengicela ukumthengela umntana uMamsi tracksuit esikole na 1 week igugile. Ngathi akasekho. So there's no need yaleli card lithathe. Mangihlele emaklasini ngamnikeza ikhadi lomntwana. Zange lihlala ikhadi lomntwana kuye. Walithatha wathumelwa last born yakhe ukuthi lise kumachonisa.
Okay.
After lapho yena waphuma.
Through that experience lesikhathi uhlale kumatras, bekanjani umama kaMamsi wherever you meet her kuwe? Ngifuna ukutholisisa ukuthi i-relationship yenu after that incident, before i-video, yashintsha kanjani? Uye wakhombisa explicitly ukuthi ngiyakukhomba wena?
Yeah.
Before kuvela i-video?
Before kuvela i-video.
Okay.
Yeah. Like ukuthi umntwana uzihenga kanjani wena ukhona endlini? Busenzani?
Okay.
Ngathi inkinga ukuthi akunama camera kwami. Into engenza everyday mangiyela ngiyakhona ngibuya ngihlala esofeni. uMamsi unesofa yakhe. Sinama fees wethu afanayo si3 endlini. Uyazombatha senze heater sibukela iTV. Bekuyimpilo enjalo. uMamsi uyabhala ekamereni abhale enze izinto zakhe abuye. Ahamba lahle. So bufuna ngenzeni? Ngilandelale nomntwana na.
Yes.
Athule. Makethula kunomkhukhulo kubanjelwa khona ama-caucus meeting. Ukuthi hayi umbulele. Uyazi ukuthi umbulele for ini.
Eish.
Ngihleli mina emagrasini. Bangena abanye abangenayo. Maybe abangani bakhe abanye baphuzile. Uphi siyamfuna. Ngime ndithi ndimlo. Bekahlala nomntwana bazothula.
Okay.
So ngibona ukuthi abantu bangaphandle laba bazi ini. Bayitholaphi le ndaba.
Okay. All right. So even kuukuthi nanoma kuukuthi akusuwe omhengile. Umama kaMamsi uyakusola ukuthi umuntu omdala obeke khona. You could have been able to prevent this person from going through with it.
Yes.
Okay. Sengiyaye understand manje ukuthi usukaphi. They are not in the perspective yokuthi umhengile. In her perspective, you could have seen it coming. But mina mengiyibheka ngilalela i-mental condition yaka Mamsi, the way uyichaza ngakhona, bekesindwa ngalesimo bekekuso. And I think the elders around her, you know, Mama Gamams, you would have really done well to check in on her mental health. I guess nani njengabantu abadala ama-distraction wabakhona because njengomntana efika abanama issue nje anjalo here and there, you would then be able to say osala sizohlala phansi inkinga kahle kahle kwenzakalani. But I understand your situation because it was just still a fresh new thing. Begefika nakuwe
5 months
beningakahlali kakhulu. But even to the young ones that are around you, nabo abantu abadala, I think we need to apply a high level of sensitivity to character changes, because bayabonana bona at their age ukuthi lo akekho right, angithi sisaselapho. So okay, asiqhubeke ke then kwenzakalani njengoba usho ukuthi amaphoyisa wagcine wayolanda iletha. Ngifuna ke ungichazela ukuthi uphuma kwaleyo letha iphuma njani, because ngiyakhumbula ukuthi anzanga namthola mama kaMamsi, yagcina iphuma nini iletha?
iphume following day.
Okay.
Amaphoyisa aphinda abuya ngelanga landelayo kuyi Friday. Bamthola umama kaMamsi, bayithola ileta, bayifunda.
Okay.
Bafumana ukuthi ileta yi handwriting efanayo, ibhala into eyi1 nale abayithole kinendlini.
Wathini umama kaMamsi about that? Le ndaba ukuthi beyifihlwa le letter.
Zange kube into ekhulunywayo. Like umama kaMamsi bekahlale high.
Okay.
Kusho ukuthi yabona uma unenhlungu wenza noma intoni ukuthi maybe mhlambi uyazifihla ukuthi kunjani.
Okay. All right. I think ngikubuyisele emuva kancane but asiqhubeke because bokhuluma ngendaba yomncwabo. I think bosusondela lapho ukuthi on a Friday uyoweza ukuthi usukile lapho mhlawumbe ungaqhubeka lapho towards umncwabo and going forward because bengandlulanga kahle ukuthi uye waye emncwabeni or kanjani kuye kwenzakalani.
Okay. After indaba yevideo. Lesa kathi kimi ngcono ngingazi like wathi singezi like mina nefamily yami nabantwana bami nabantwana bakithi nomama. Ngambuza mina ngathi kunokuthi sihlale ngathi na if le video awuyazi kufanele kuhlale namphansi uthi Mpumi kwenzakala ini nayo ivideo ubani othathe ifoni yakho. Mina ngisho ukuthi umuntu owenza le video umuntu othathe ifoni yakho. Nalapho zake ngithole answer wavele nje wathi ngithi ningaseze emncwabeni nomntwana.
Okay.
Umama mangimfonela wathi hayi ningayi Saturday ngingakabe umncwabo. Ningayi Saturday mina ngizoya kumntana ngithi ngiyokhuluma naye.
Okay.
Umama wayaki kumntana kubo ugogo kaMamsi wakhuluma naye. Umama uthi wathi make efika ambuza ukuthi uyayibona ukuthi kwenzakalani? Abantwana bayaxabana kanti lezi lezi siphuma kuphi? Waphendula ugogo kaMamsi kumama wami wathi hayi ubuhlobo sobuphelile. Ubuhlobo sobuphelile. Wafona umama wathi hayi uthi ugogo kaMamsi ubuhlobo sobuphelile. Ngathi hayi mama hlala phansi kodwa ukuyombeka uMamsi kula ngiyakhona. Abantu bekhona ukuthi okay Mpumi mawungalimala or kwenzakalani ngithi akunankinga. Ithambo lika Mamsi lokugcina labekwa khona ilele kufanele ngilazi ngoba lo mntana mina ngimnikezile uthando. Hayi uthando nyana bengiya all out. La mntana bekana 5 months enami mara esikoleni bekane uniform ngathi kudala efunda yonke into obikhona. Bengingamkhethi ngambandluludla kanjani ngingahambi
Ungayi.
ezihengela endlini futhi.
Eish.
Hayi ngahlala
And manje angabe bungayanga it was gonna look even worse to everyone outside. Because abayazi le discussion or le ngxoxo that you had with umama kaMamsi. Babona nje ukuthi wena uzanga. Okay.
Bafika endlini angithi beleyo bekuyi Saturday. Ungcwatshwe nge2 weeks uMamsi. Bafika before uMamsi abekho angcwatshwe. Bafika imoto le lento yeska Mamsi. Wafika ugogo wakhe ehamba nomalume wami bangena ejardini. Bangibiza ngahamba wathi hayi Mpumi sizogeza ijariti sizolanda umphefumulo kaMamsi ngathi mina okay manje ngoba ngimdala ngingaka ngiyazi abantu mabelandwa abalandwa ngesihlahla uMamsi akalandwanga ngesihlahla ulandwe ngesigubhu besinento engaphakathi namakhandlela
Okay.
umalume wami uye bekabamba lo makhandlela enikeza ogogo kaMamsi athi umalume wami hey mchana angikhethi side uyangibona ukuthi ngiyasebenza ngithi hayi malume ungazwarisha into zefamily siza umntana kini uyabona
Okay.
bangene ke ngiyobabonisa la uMamsi azihenge khona ngimile hayi athayile ugogo kaMamsi lento esebhodleleni ngiyakuthatha mntanami noma ngiyazi ukuthi awuhambanga kahle kodwa uzosiphendulela hayibo sihambe ke ngimbekise la ekitchen lapha ngiphinde ngambeka khona nalapho wathethethela baphuma ngegate ngayithulela ngathi hayi kusho ukuthi impilo bengazi ukuthi mina mangisiza ngiyoba kule mpilo ebhlungu kanje hayi following day ngivuke geze mina nabantwana bami abantwana bakithi bafike ekseni sigibela iquantum siye emncwabeni kaMamsi hayi sesahlike emotweni nje siye emncwabeni kaMamsi ngangikhonjwa nangiya hayi ukuthi bayasaba ukuthi bathi nangiya nangiya ngathi ubani umbulali bathula namakhazini wami omncane kaMamsi like ukuthi umuntu manje sengibhekwa so athi hawu
Eish.
hayi ngaya bekaphumela esontweni
Okay.
ngama ngaphandle ngahlala phakathi ngime ngaphandle ukuthi ibox lakhe maliphuma ngikhona ukulibona kuba ngiyazi mangizongena phakathi ngeke ngihlale phambili ngizohlala emuva
Eish. So.
ukuhliziyo yawo
Eish. So sorry, Mams.
ngithi
Yeah.
yasiza kanti
Uzophi-
ngenza ifamily isukane imile
Eish.
isivalile uzwe emuva abantu bekhuluma ukuthi nawu
Eish.
ngathi Mamsi udlule izihlahla ezingakanani wayebungazihenga ngakhona kulezo izihlahla lezo ekisi ukuthola esihlahleni kuzihengile bekuzoba ngcono
Eish.
wazihengela kimi endlini
Eish.
okubhlungu ukuthi uzihengela kimi endlini umama misangu makuzothiwa sithwele bayazi into abayenzayo
Eish. Yeah, and manje yena naye I think she was battling with a lot because njengoba uchaza from her life with the things that she was seeing and the scars that you were talking about la entanyeni la bekanazo she was probably psychologically battling with reconciling indaba zomama nani nani. And then mhlamba siqhubeke ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi kena waphela njani umncwabo.
sahamba angithi ngoba asisazi manje ukuthi amalungiselelo anjani besizitshela ukuthi uMamsi uzobekwa phezulu kobhuti wakhe
Okay.
uyabona la ngithanda sasihleli ematrasini bekutsho kanjalo ukuthi hayi umntwana uzobekwa phezulu kobhuti wakhe hayi makusayedlula kuMamsi befakwa emotweni kuyahanjwa kemathuneni like ngisho ngithi uya kuphi bathi hayi akasayi lapho uye West Park.
Okay.
That's okay. Gibele emotweni saya. BekuMamsi sabuya. Masibuya atshela abantwana bami nabantwana bakithi nabantu bebengikhaphile kumphakathi.
Okay.
Ngathi asambeni. Angeke sidle la.
Okay.
Kwama singedla la, masingadla la. Asazi kuzokwenzakalani after. Ngoba kwamina like sengikhathele.
Yeah.
Manje like ngikhathele akusento engizothi ngiyayincenga sahamba ke esonkeni
Okay.
sabe sesibuyela endlini kwabe kuyaphelela lapho
Aniphindanga nakhuluma.
siphindanga sakhuluma kwa umalume wami qeda ukushona kudala ngamaji saya ke emncwabeni besibabona but akubuliswana kuyadlulwana nje sekuyilompilo
malume yena lo beka
beyamakhandlela.
okay akekho umuntu omdala kulabo abakhona oyowathi mhlambe athi ngizame ukuthi ngihlanganise mhlambe kulungiswe
akekho umuntu omdala akasekho umamami nogogo kamams
okay
phela basele abanye abasekho
nabo ababoni ngasolinye mhlambe kule ndaba
ubani
ngoba ugogo nomama kamams
hayi angithi umama wathi make yakhona kugogo kamams wathi gogo kamams ubuhlobo buphelile ngama sisters
yeah kwemanje ngibona ngathi yibo abantu abadala abangazama ukuthi bayihlele indaba kahle because yibo abanesithunzi esihloniphikileyo kodwa nabo ukubathwesa loyo mthwalo it might be a lot because they are not only speaking for themselves but they are carrying a representation from both families ifuna ukuthi nabo baqale bazwane ngokuthi yini bayenzayo before bazoyingenelela indaba kodwa yeah I think it's a tough one and then asikhulume nga seniphumile emngcwabeni ngoba umama kaMamsi uyasho ukuthi bekayilandelela icase akhuluma namaphoyisa ukuthi wahlela indaba mhlambe bayilandelele indaba kaMamsi kodwa akatholi progress from your side ungathini muyibheka from your end because ngizwa unginike feedback from amaphoyisa njengoba bukhuluma
angazi babe kayilandelela na ngoba mina ugcina kwami police station ile langa nganyovula icase ngayiyekela la sebesithi umntwana uzo ngekangcwatshwe fanele kwenziwe i-postmortem
okay
ukuthi ngoba bona ngithi na clarity ukuthi umntwana wabo ubulewe yintoni so sibetha kwenziwe enye umqinivo ukuthi lo mntwana lona ubulewe yini nangaphelele emaphoyiseni ukuthi okay if kunjalo kuzomiswa yonke into ngiyayeka icase angivuli
yeah
ngoba ngelanga le postmortem make yoyilanda uKefilo namakhazini wakhe i-postmortem wafika wangena endlini ngihlele ematrasini wathi hey iphumile i-postmortem yazi le phoyisa lithi befanele thina soyi2 sigqoka impahla ezi-orange ngathi hayi anginankinga manje for ini sogqoka impahla ezi-orange wathi ngoba mina ngilekhe ukuthi umntwana ngimnikeza uthando
okay
wena buklinisa umntwana ngathi ngophi umntwana ongaklini ngithi lo mntwana uyayazi kimi endlini ikhichi nekamera laba abaklinayo and baya ngeviki ngoba bayi3 omunye iviki lakhe leli omunye iviki lakhe leli omunye iviki lakhe leli ngithi hayi lo phoyisa kunankinga mina belingasithatha athi hayi lisiyekile ngoba ngiyalazi ngijwayele ukuhlangana nalo endaweni ngathi yabe yaphelela ke indaba yamaphoyisa
yeah
cellphone ke uthina futhi iphoyisa lelo ngoba lalingekho ngalanga mangiyolifuna ngambuza ngathi baba kunjani wakhuluma umpeti phoyisa lakho ngathi ngiyumama umntwana ngizwa ukuthi buzosithatha hayi wakhuluma isipedi lo baba ukuthi ubani otsho kanjalo kanti kwenzakalani ngale case angithi uyalazi eqinisa ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngengane yakhe ngathi hey baba yazi mina ngoba sekunezincwadi nabe kule ncwadi ufakiwe ukuthi awusebenzi ulazy
yeah
athi mos umntwana ushiya ama social note kanti ufunani
nifuna
ngabe ngiyayigcina into yamaphoyisa
okay yaphelela lapho
yaphelela nje lapha indaba yamaphoyisa
ngiyabonga ngendlela ochaza ngayo khona because it gives perspective mhlambe ungathanda ukuthini because I don't believe ukuthi wena noKifile niyophinde nibonane very soon if this was you talking to Kifile for the last time ubuzothini kuyena consider ukuthi you still have a relationship with them you are still family if bungambona uKifile manje njengoba azokubona lapha uzothanda ukuthini kuyena not that side of the family
yazi into bengayitsho kuye uKifilwe bengizothi iqiniso uyalazi kakhulu futhi if usazilele umamsi ukuba mina benginguye ngeba mina ngiyathula umntanami imiyeke aphumule ngoxoxo yonke into eyenzakalayo la emhlabeni iyaphuma angeke ulimi izambane kuphuma icarrots izambane lelo limayo kuphuma lokho le mibuzo azibuza yona ukuthi kwenzakalani maybe mina ngizibuza 20 times ukudlula yena ngoba angazi ukuthi ngingathini bengimfilela ipain lento kamama simayenzeka bengizwela yena ubuhlungu kunami okugcina bengizokutsho kuye akukho okungaveli akukho okungaveli and ahlale yazi ukuthi umamsi bekamthanda
Siyabonga. Maybe as a closing remark or closing question, mengaba nethuba lokuthi nikhona ukukhuluma, ungaba nayo lentshisakalo yokuthi nilungise izinto nomamsi and her side of the family.
Nomama kamamsi. Mawufanele sikhulume, I think uyangazi ngiwiki mina. Ngakwatela ngiphinde futhi ngibe right ngokubulisa.
Yeah.
Make funa ukukhuluma. Ngangimele lokho mina ukuthi after ingqabo kamamsi maybe after 2 weeks uzoza kini. Athi Mpumi awungitshele kahle kwenzakaleni. Ngizokhona ukukhuluma naye. Akangenzanga lutho. Ngoba into azikhulumile ngami mangihambe estradini azibhalwanga kini. Into engiyisabelayo ngabantwana bami nje kuphela.
That's true. No, ngiyabonga. I think in you coming through to give your perspective, you are protecting them because sufuna ukuveza ukuthi kahle on my side kwenza kahle. Uyabona yini esibonile thina njengabantu bebekhona yini yenzakela. And there's new information that you are coming through with which I didn't know with the letters.
Yes.
I also didn't know which the case was also closed on the perspective that there were suicide letters, 2 of them, that are simply copies. The fact that there's copies, one left that side, one left this side, means Uguti, it was done by her. Because when you would have not traveled from your house, why you planting it? So I think that also gives perspective. But it's in Igbong, Uguti uznigi tuba, uzechaza, because into enzima kwabantu abaningi yileyo yokuthi ngizichaze. The arrogance and the grief and the anger lead us to a side of, complete ignorance where we feel ukuthi we are not accountable to anything. So you coming here basically says ukuthi usasenovalo, usasenothando lokuthi ube nokuchaza ukuthi kwenzakaleni, because lento yenzayo it gives perspective not only to the other side of the family but also to yena umama la. I don't think ngendlela oyichaze ngayo namhlanje uke wayizwa yena uyichaza ngalendlela. Yabona, so siyabonga kulokho mama. Siyabonga. Family, thank you so much for coming through to join us and being with us from the beginning until where we are. It is indeed a difficult situation that we're faced with, because in the process of grief, we tend to, on both ends, create more damage and, create more suffering, as opposed to just being able to grieve in peace and go through what you're going through. There's a lot of things now that are entangled in the grief of loss. So it's highly important that we as a family come together to sort of, aid in repairing the relationships and the, links and connections that have been broken by the loss of the child, because the family is still there. There are cousins on both sides and children, cousins of cousins that are going to meet together one day, introduce one to another, and find that we know each other from a distant past. But unfortunately, we're not connected to each other. That leads to more suffering. That leads to more unfortunate spread of poverty, because I can uplift you. And if you and I are closer together by virtue of, family and bond, we must be able to, grow together, nourish it together, be together, so that we can then fight against the scourge of poverty and the scourge of, all the suffering that exists in the world. It's better when we're together. remember, if you don't share, it begins to look like we don't care. Purpose of this platform is to amplify the voices that have not been attended to, the voices that have not been, listened to, and also to just share the different perspectives and the lessons that people have, collected through the years, so that when we listen, we're able to navigate better. Thank you so much for your support once again. My name is Muraro, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Yeah, thank you. That was